Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. Unstoppable, so now we are trained.
Wagwan Unstoppable family, so people, the election has come to an end. And as you may already know, the Jamaica Labour Party has won. Well, while many are happy, there are still some who are unhappy with the win. Some people feel as if the Jamaica Labour Party just should not have won, right? And sad to say for some that the leader of the opposition has stepped down. Mr. Peter Phillips has decided, you know what? This is the end of the road for me. I am going to step down and appoint someone else as the leader of the People's National Party.
As is well recognized, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. As is now recognized, the results of the general elections held yesterday, September 3rd, have been very unfavorable to the People's National Party. As in all undertakings such as this, the ultimate responsibility must rest with the leader of the party. Accordingly, I consider it my duty to demit office as president of the party, and I have written to the chairman of the People's National Party to ask that the National Executive Council and the executive of the party make the necessary arrangements as soon as is practicable to elect a new leader of the party. I would like to thank all those who voted yesterday for the People's National Party. I would also like to thank all those who worked on the campaign. Many of them, indeed all of them, went way beyond the call of duty to support the People's National Party's efforts in the field. The party has many lessons to learn from the experience. I expect that the executive will shortly establish a review committee to analyze the causes of the defeat and to chart a path for rebuilding. I'd like to say in closing that I have had, over these past 4 decades, a tremendous opportunity to serve my country and my party in giving public service. And I relish this and certainly will do all I can to ensure a smooth transition of the leadership of the party and a swift rebuilding of the People's National Party so that it can continue to fulfill its historic mission on behalf of the people of Jamaica. Thank you very much.
So with that said, many persons are wondering, who is it going to be the new leader of the People's National Party? Some, I wonder if Lisa Anna may be that person. Let's just watch and see who it's going to be then. Now, who you think? Talk to me down in the comment section. Who do you believe is going to be the new leader of the PNP? Would I love to see your opinion down in the comment section. Well, Foota Hype, which is the spokesperson, decided he is going to speak out after this general election, right? And Foota Hype feels as if, Andrew Holness should not have won this election. And him have him reasons why. Foota also explained the reason why PNP lost and lost so badly. Listen, we are going to take a listen to what Foota Hype say. But if this is your first time here and you have not yet hit this subscribe button, please consider hitting the subscribe button now and turn on all notifications. Once we upload a video, you will get notified. Make we go hear what Foota say.
Foota Hype, I am the speaker of the house, so I have to speak, right? You know me, I have my say. First things more I say. Congratulations to the winning party, Andrew Holness and the Jamaica Labour Party. Uno win the election. Big win. Landslide. Zin, it's a victory I don't think uno deserve. Zin, uno win. Uno have a landslide victory. I congratulate you. Andrew did what he was supposed to do and did what he had to do to win the election. Congratulations. Zin, I'm not fighting upon no win. Ask me if one did deserve to win? No, one never deserve to win. At no point. See? Big up Mr. Peter Phillips. I know it's a hurtful and painful loss because your political career is now at an end point and you wanted, that was one of your biggest dream and aspiration, to be the shot caller for Jamaica, meaning being the prime minister for the country. See? So I know it's very disappointing for you and it must hurt in some way, shape or form. But stay strong, Mr. Phillips, and walk good. From a comrade to another comrade, walk good. See? I'm glad the way our elections are run right now, less violence. It's not completely violent free. Come here, a couple of people get shot, but nothing fatal. And some people run car over some people and things. But right now, which part politics there is a dream where I come true. Yeah, man, me a PNP. Yeah. Zin? So, less violence is a victory. Less violence is a super victory for Jamaican politics. Because the death rate and the crime rate when politics always are going was ridiculous. You understand what I'm saying? So I must commend the Jamaican people, the fans of politics, not the players of politics, not the MP them and them. I thought the people them will actually go out and support each party. I've seen now where JLP supporter, I carry PNP support up on the back of them bike. PNP woman are wind up on labor right man. You know, them a share one box food. You know what I mean? Me like that. Me like that. See? We're going to analyze the politics now. See? In the political race, Andrew Holness now has the best record in our win for Jamaica Labour Party. And him have one of the worst record as one of the shortest reigning Prime Minister. Remember, Andrew did win. They get the party, take over the party, and then him lose a couple of months after. So that was the shortest term for a Prime Minister. Now, he might do him second term as a winner. See? So we have to commend him on that. See? Big up Andrew Holness. Your party happy. Everybody supportive. You're in your glory now. You're in your element. A lot of people are going to ask me why me think the Jamaica Labour Party don't deserve the win. I can explain that to you later. But I can explain to you why People's National Party lose and lose so bad. And I can tell you why Jamaica Labour Party wins so massive. See? First things first. Internal disagreements and discrepancies within the party caused the People's National Party to lose the election. See? The People's National Party, yeah, my boss, has been having internal problems from as far back as PJ Patterson. See? Mr. Peter Phillips, as one who has always yearned for the top spot, him go at it with PJ, never work. PJ can be the best Prime Minister I've seen in my eyes up to now. See? PJ couldn't lose. No matter what him couldn't you lose. See? Then, when it was handed over to Right Honorable Minister Portia Simpson as leader of the People's National Party, Peter never happy either. There was a whole comment about woman weak and woman can't run this and you know what I say, and stylings and bag of thing. So Portia did come on to be a great leader too. she never dominate as much as how PJ Patterson did dominate. Zine? So, it's like there was always internal feud. Now, when the leadership was being handed over now, Zine, Bunting and Peter Phillips are go at it. The thing where Jamaica Labour Party do and win the nation is when their time to choose leader was presented. Remember, you have Carl Samuda, stalwart politician. You have Miss Babsy Grange. You have Desmond McKenzie. You have a whole heap of people in the Labour Party where in an age, they way up them more than Andrew Holness. Them claim to have more experience than Andrew Holness. But the Jamaica Labour Party did not choose to ride that wave of who is older and who is more experienced. Them realize the nation had evolved and the age of the internet was up on us. So guess what them do now? Them just cut them ego and say Andrew Holness, you know, and him a go lead the thing. Remember Samuda could have rebel because he one of the legend in the Labour Party. Remember say Babsy Grange could have war and say, and I'm a dead body. Them never do that. You understand what I say? Them allow Andrew Holness to lead. So that was the first spark of fire. We start the Jamaica Labour Party fire. Everybody was, oh, this is so refreshing, a new youth, a young youth, a young youth. Too much old man, too much. PNP never listened to the beckoning of the people. And the age thing and the old style. You understand? That are the first thing caused the Jamaica Labour Party fire to start blaze. Second thing, when Andrew start to win over the people, when we say win over the people, we win over everybody, is when Andrew Holness take on the slang bro God. Every politician afraid to associate themselves with street level people. Afraid to associate the common man with them campaign. Now when Andrew got daddy one bro God and take it on as a slang, him get vandalized, him get backlash. But the new now generation never dare bash him. Cause them feel like them and him connected. Cause them feel like blood clot. Andrew listen, daddy one song, that mean him a listen Cartel, that mean him a listen TJ. That, them just assume. Say him a listen everybody. Andrew might never hear daddy one song at the time before. But somebody run him tell him say, yo, daddy one have a bad song, you know. Him have a slang and him bro God that around the place, you know. Boom. The man got print t-shirt. Mark bro God him do hot. Mark bro God. At a campaigning before campaign time. When Andrew do that, me start fret. Cause me as a PNP know. See? So from there so, him start win the youth. Him start win the eyeglass them on the corner. Him start win the man who have a style. Cause everybody in the street I say bro God and for that man take on the bro God slogan pan himself. Remember say it's not a church slogan him take on. It's not a old slogan him take on. And a Miss Lou slogan him take on. Him take on one of the youngest artists when they ever reach now in a music yet. And take on the slogan there as the leader of the country. See? So that's how the people start saying, no, that man is different. Him are really for the young, him are for the new generation. Boom. Him never shun from it. When him a rebel and a backlash him never shun from it and say, yo, I not use bro God, you know, I not use bro God because young people think of people. No, him run with it. When me look over my side, nobody now notice say Andrew do that. All I PNP them just there with them bureaucratic politics. Nope. Oh, my necktie and my this and oh, I don't go there and I don't go there. And we eat at this restaurant and we eat at that and bougie. So when you know bougie, see people them here, I look over Andrew, what Andrew forward with next. See? Andrew go so. Remember you know? Andrew go so. When I talk about the thing them, why them shouldn't win it, you know, I tell you what make them win. Alright. Andrew comes so bam. Regular some people up on social media. You see Andrew Holness page comment. Really? The Prime Minister comment on somebody's page? What? Him up on social media. We are go over Andrew page. We are going to look what Andrew deal with. Even if I know Andrew angle the page, and Andrew people are sick as Andrew only certified page. This a comment on people thing. You understand? So check. Me never see Peter Phillips a comment on nothing yet. Me never know if Peter Phillips have a social media page. Me at one point, me never know say Peter Phillips a lead People's National Party. One time we think Lisa Anna lead the party, although we know say Peter Phillips win as leader, but because he's not relevant, he's not in the social space, we don't know. Over PNP something just boring. Over there just boring. When we look for our timeline in an Explorer, we not see nothing for PNP, but every day we can see bro God. Young girl say, whoa, them want bro God. Them want to cheat on them man with bro God, and it build a momentum bridging. No. This is how I blame People's National Party, you know, for them own loss. And for such a massive loss at that too. Because this is not a regular loss, you know. Not a regular loss. A big, we don't reach just say a Turkey, man. A big lose, we lose. Now, how can the People's National Party have openly public figures who know say them are PNP and talk every day say them are PNP and want to not involve them in our campaign? Oh, you know say Foota hype a big PNP. Me are the biggest thing on social media. Oh, not incorporate me in our campaign. Alright, remember say Ricky Chopper is an openly vivid PNP. Big selector. You know Beanie Man, openly vivid PNP. You not incorporate we in the program. You not put out no money for campaign. You not book Foota, you not book Chopper, you not book Beanie Man. Plus whole heap more PNP artists and influential figures within the entertainment. You know see say Andrew got social media battle. So what I got to stay over there, sir, and left the man over here so for win on social media. Social media the biggest influencer now, you know? So you don't have no relevance on social media at all. None at all. Lisa Anna alone, and then she lead the party. If it was Lisa Anna who was leading the party at this time, Andrew in a trouble, you know. You understand what I say? So what I say is, that's how we cause the PNP party to lose the election. Yeah. Next thing again, you have warfare. Whether it's not physical, or literal, or verbal, a warfare it name. It name warfare. Zin, boom. Andrew go so. Desert clocks. What I go say? Oh, I'm wearing Giorgio Armani. The street no business about Giorgio Armani. We no business about Steve Madden. We no care about none of that. Every ghetto youth have a desert clocks. Everybody knows the clocks are in a thing. So although Andrew, I do pay fuckery, him wear a desert clocks and run with that. All over social media, you see the damn foot so. And the man a dance and a do be a thing. The man knows say, entertainment I go win the election. I mean, I entertain. Come, Peter Phillips advisors, one of them. If Andrew wear a desert clocks, get the boss a bank robber. I saw you sitting set. If Andrew got desert, we got bank robber. Care less about backlash. You never keep up with the fight. You act like it's a joke thing. You understand? The man got desert class, got bank robber. You make the man use PNP style and kill PNP. And no labor right bust desert clocks. A Spanglers bust desert clocks and mesh marina. And arrow shirt from back in the days. So how you make the man use own style and kill you? I want to come counteract that. I make them know say I want to a PNP thing you use. Go one side. Since you take a desert, you want wallaby in your face. I'm level the playing field, brethren. You understand what I say? Dog, it is embarrassing, and because you want to sit down like a sitting duck and not connect with the street. The street run everything. And the street decide who are the big artists. How the street decide who a big selector? How the street decide who a the big politician? How the street decide all of that? So if you're not campaign through the street, you're going to lose. Nah, make no sense. Nobody in your bougie, bro. Oh, you might go desert clocks. That's so tacky. No, to get a bank robber or a wallaby and step out on them. I want to level the playing field. You know, see the man them a seller, you know, see Christopher Tufton in a sex tape. Alleged sex tape. Who are bigger than that? With Batman business so rampant. And politicians are always being accused of being faggots. When Christopher Tufton name mix up in a brass clad cheating something with a girl a blow off him thing, allegedly. You know what that do for Jamaica Labour Party campaign? These are the campaign that was happening where it's not a campaign. Listen now. Them think they're a campaign which isn't a campaign. Because right through the 4 year where Andrew run, multiple things became relevant that kept him on the brain of the people. So that's why I'm gonna call elections so sudden without any campaign time. Because him already a campaign. Christopher Tufton thing come make it worse. Me never even know who in a PNP party. I mean a big PNP. Me not see no campaign, me not see no advertisement, me not see no, we not no celebrity PNP MP more than Lisa Anna. And some people know Bunting too. Some people. So no play it in yourself. This election was not one. Yeah, Vegas. The election here was not based on issues that affect the country. You know. The election here wasn't based on nurses and doctors' wages. You know. This election was not based on teachers' pay. You know. This election was not based on public sector workers' pay. You know. This election was not based on the 12 o'clock lock-off time that's happening in Jamaica. You know. All of that get forgotten. You know. All of that get forgotten. But are the clocks and the sex tape and the something them and the buzz. And Labour right did have the buzz for real. Can't be a hypocrite. Although he's a dieted PNP. Labour right did have the buzz. Labour right did all over the news. It was a social media election. And that's why them go for the DJ, them for the dub plate. Them is not just them want to do it. Them not like artists. Then I see them dance all them a fight. And I hate them is because of social media impact our work. It was all about the buzz. And a Labour right have the buzz. So the PNP, first, too bureaucratic. Second, them not pay attention to the fucking street. Third, them not go for the street players them with them up on them team. I don't know if I mean PNP mean, or them not want to spend the money with Foota Hype, or them not want to spend the money with Ricky Chupa, or being I don't know. But they're not using the resources of the street. It was a street election. It was street via social media. And the PNP was not present on any of those levels. You understand what I say? Yeah, brother, you say, buzz can't fix the country. But I am telling you what this election was about. It wasn't, nobody no remember the implementations of the plans where they put in for better nobody boy. None of the people them remember that. Brother. It was all about excitement, and from the man come out in our clocks, go in a parliament, nobody no remember say, the man just say, dance, I feel like off now. And you're going back from curfew and going to your house and every selector hungry and every artist hungry and every stallman hungry. Nobody not remember that. Because of the frenzy at work. So when I say the People's National Party should have paid attention to what the streets are beckoning to. See? And go up on the same playing field and out to the Labour at them. They did not. The PNP was caught slipping, fighting amongst themselves. and now pay attention. Bunting want to get out Peter. Peter want have him ego to say I'm last chance at it and him need the Prime Minister something. While him should have just low it from Porsche time and realize that the people them not into giving you the leadership in a Peter. But if the party win, everybody wins. It was a race for win for themselves between him and Bunting over winning for the team. It's a LeBron James thing going, you know. Yeah, it's a LeBron James thing going. Because Peter said, I'm last run this, and him want a shot at the leadership of the country. See? And Bunting said, them days they're done. You understand what I say? All Peter should have to fall back for the benefit of the party. It would have better you resign and on the winning team that resign, losing, and not winning the championship. It would have better you not be the star player, but your team win the championship and you resign. You understand what I say? Alright, Aisha, if we would have even lose, but would have stand a better chance. I think, and this is for my comrades, my PNP people, Zine, I think it's time to give another female a chance. I think it's time to give Lisa another leadership of the party. I think it's time to give a female a chance again. Portia Simpson Miller, Miss Portia Simpson Miller, was the lady with the iron fist. Now, Lisa Anna to me is more charismatic and have a softer touch. Zine? Remember Portia acted it like me. And just know say what she deal it, she deal it. And any boy ramp up. Bullet! Zine? So, I think now, nobody no need to fight for the leadership. Let's fight for the win. Lisa, me say. No, but Una say Lisa Bailey will gain her seat, but it's because of the entire team. Enough PNP in a vote. Listening to Labour right winning and them win massive, you know. Because the PNP withdraw massive. Because enough internal thing are going. We split up the thing and some people before them vote Labour right, them rather don't vote at all. You understand? So whole heap of people no vote, whole heap of PNP no vote. I tell them. And me a PNP and me a telling them, stay them here and about vote. If you watch it line them at the polling station and watch it colours, you know say whole heap of PNP no come out, bitch. Them have to reinstate Mr. Crawford too as an MP. Because if you remember say Mr. Crawford is not in the political run, you know, as an MP, you know. They need to reinstate him. Because listen now, more than you have to follow suit, yeah, man. You see your Labour right fall back and put the young man up front. And it will work for them. 2 consecutive elections now. Zine? So, PNP, we have to do it. What we going to do? Get rid of them old man from the front line. Them can't manage. Them bent in them ways and them can't change. The fundamentals and foundation of the party now got change. But sometimes you have to depend on the team and know say Anna you are sell the team. You understand what I say? So right now, big man thing, Lisa we say, you see me? Yeah, Lisa. Lisa we say as the leader right now. Give back a woman a chance. You see me? Give back a woman a chance. I'm going to tell you now why me not think say Jamaica Labour Party deserve this winner. See? Based on what going, based on the inflation, the dollar gone sky high, based on my particular industry, where me inner, where me make money offer, where me survive, I have not seen Andrew Holness for the 4 year and odd where my Prime Minister given us any glory for the problem with the doctor them, for the problem with the teacher them. Him not fix nothing all now. The road them where him fix a PNP project where him finish up. Zine, the cockpit country where sell out. People don't want to have short-term memory now. I want the Labour right them come tell me what significant that Andrew has done to give him a landslide victory over Jamaica. I don't see it. I don't see it. The leniency we Batman get under Jamaica Labour Party government, I don't understand it. I don't know if there's a hidden agenda or what. All now Andrew Holness now come explain to we the 200 million US or how much money him get from Bill Gates during this COVID pandemic here, where they might come with this vaccine and you go meet with Bill Gates and get money, and we don't know. If we never see the picture, we wouldn't know. These are questions we need to be answered. You understand what I say? So yes, Angie, you win, but I don't think you deserve that win. Because there are millions. The amount of place at Westmoreland when I have no water in 2020, you know, fulfill the needs of the people them. So I don't understand this landslide victory. It's just because PNP is so within fighting themselves. That's the people them just get Andrew. You understand what I say? We need answers a whole heap of thing. This ongoing, what do I call it now, hostage situation where JPS have the people them under. Andrew, you know, address the JPS situation. Come on news and say them a pad people bill. You know, address that. You understand what I say? Jamaica Public Service and the Water Commission are the only entities that provide water and light. And them are rape the people them pocket. Them are extort the people them, and Andrew has not yet dissolved that problem. So I am saying, I don't think JLP deserve the win. And that's just my honest opinion. There are too many issues affecting the country that has not been solved. You have not addressed these major issues, and these issues matter to everybody, not just JLP, but JLP and PNP. When it comes to the energy company of JPS, it's not only for Labour right and PNP, it's for the entire country. When it comes to the Water Commission, it's for the whole country. So I don't want nobody tell me, say, oh, them do run our lane, or them do run our part. That's not my issue. We have to have a leader who does things that benefit the entire country. Now, the first thing, I'm not going to be biased and be a hypocrite, but the first thing Mr. Holness needs to do in his second term of 4 years is address the Jamaica Public Service and the this man needs to address the Jamaica Public Service and the National Water Commission, because they are raping the country. Them are rob everybody pocket. Them are extort the people. Them. You, if you care about the people, Andrew, you have to fix that. If them want to leave with them company, leave. We will have investors come and invest. Jamaica is one of the most, what do I call it now? New melting pot for business. Everybody in the world want to do business with Jamaica. Everybody. So if JPS contract burn up, because people love to then sell JPS. You can't sell nowhere at Jamaica. You own the rights to run the company. You don't own it. You can't take up JPS and cut with it. You can't take up Water Commission and cut with it. It's the governing body of the country to make sure so you keep it in line. That's your product benefit the country. No, JPS need to draft up and NWC need to draft up. Them wicked to the people. You understand what I say? Okay, somebody say Andrew do this in 4 years or PNP in 18 years. That's what a prime minister is supposed to do. That's why I'm saying. Now he is the man. What are you doing to correct these problems? JPS has been the only light and power company for about 100 years. And Water Commission has been the only water company for about 100 years. It's got change.
30,000 water, 36,000 every month.
It have to change. If you're a leader and you not see that, then you not see nothing. We have two entities which affect every Jamaican, whether you're Labour right or PNP, or one JPS we have, and one Water Commission. You can't have them extort the people, brethren. Earth up, here me earth over. I not earth over the winner, Andrew winning. I earth over JPS and Water Commission and extort the people them. How can a company, spokesperson come on news, come say, yes, we add money to people bill for energy where we last. Then if people are thief light, oh me, we are pay for light, we pay for them. You have to write that as company losses. You have to put that in a losses. And the company have to pay for that. And find new meter and find ways where them can't thief light. But you can come charge people where pay a light bill for who a thief light. Oh no, me not understand. Me not understand that like people now look on that. Like people not realize. Let's put the fun and joke aside. So what me I say now? What me I say now, people? On a serious note. This is not talk me I talk because me a PNP. Because me a PNP and that can't change. But whether you are PNP or JLP, you have to pay your light bill. Them not have two lines, we say one for Labour right and one for PNP. Twitch. Hear me I say now. Zin? And tell me if I'm wrong. Because he's a man who always tell me if I'm wrong. I am saying now. Election done.
Right.
Campaign done.
Right.
I am saying Andrew, big win.
Right.
Me not think him deserve the win because he has done nothing where me can say yes, him just win landslide. No, that's him win. The first two issues I think he should address is the Water Commission and JPS.
Right.
Because whether you are Labour right or you are PNP, you have to pay a light.
Right.
See? And you have to pay water.
Yeah, man.
So you have one line where it's a JLP and one line where it's a PNP when you pay a bill.
Right.
So the whole will suffer.
Right.
Now, in any common sense business, if you have a company that's at them alone have that product, man, then can sell it for any amount of money.
Because they're not a competition.
They're not a competition.
Right.
So it don't take a rocket science. Me now figure university and get a degree and a diploma.
If them decides to push up the
Brother, we need another power company.
Right.
And we need another water company.
Right.
There are a million people who want to invest in Jamaica because Jamaica turn people where just regular people are foreign in a billionaire.
Right.
Because once something hit with the street, it can't upset.
Right.
Come like Obia. I saw Jamaica. See? So what I'm saying is, Mr. Andrew Holness, on comrades and shower people, it's beyond the point of saying which party you vote for. Because it's done already. So Andrew is the man for the next 4 years. Would I like him start with them two things at first? And the third thing Andrew can do for me?
Entertainment!
You could wait and talk, sir.
But
there must be third thing.
that.
The third thing is entertainment, dog. Entertainment.
Jesus.
You know, so now listen to me. Alright. The contracts were signed by PNP. Okay. I'm not even going to get into that because now I realize what I say. Arguing over the spilled milk is not the mission right now. See? That isn't the mission. The mission is what are we going to do now to make sure that the milk don't spill again. That's why we have a leader now. You understand what I say? That me I say now. What we are going to do to make sure say the milk not spill again. That is Andrew Holness's job right now.
And the Speaker of the House has spoken. I'm not going to tell a lie. I cannot be biased. Foota make a whole heap of valid points that I personally agree with. And if anyone want to say a foolishness Foota attack, then uno bias as... You understand? Real talk. Because there are a lot of things in this thing where Foota hype say will make a whole lot of sense. You understand? When people go vote this term, them not think about the real benefits of the country. Them think about what them seeing from social media. Them think about the hype. Them not think about, yo, you hear me? What changes will come for the betterment of the people, right? And when Foota hype touch upon the whole electrical company situation right there. So that right there, so within itself is a whole different topic where we're not even going to talk about in another video here because it's upsetting, right? But people talk to me down below. Let me hear what phone opinion on the things that we Foota hype have to say. Zane, I will be looking out for your comment, and as long as it makes sense, then I definitely will respond. Alright, this has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and if this is your first time here and you have not yet hit the subscribe button, please hit the subscribe button now. Turn on all notifications. Once you upload a video, you will not miss an alert. I'm unstoppable, no matter what. Don't make nobody stop you. I'm out.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.